Hello, welcome everyone to the Web3 Education and Investment. Today, in this video, I'm going to give updates about the perennial finance. Also, as we did before in my channel, you will always see some hands-on practice, like how to use those DeFi. Perennial finance is a decentralized money market protocol that offers lending, staking, and borrowing in the polkadot ecosystem. So basically, use the perennial. Now you can borrow, you can lend. More importantly, like when you participate in the crowd loan, you can get the liquidity for the dot. So the updates they are going to have is it will happen on March 17th. So they are going to release 6 new products. So not just one, they are going to release 6 new products. That's a lot. So those products including the automated market maker. So you can use the HKO and the KSM. So they are going to add the liquidity. You can do the liquidity mining. They will also have the liquidity staking, money markets, some Cardano, the decentralized version, the multi-sig wallet. They are going to make it decentralized now. That's a cross-chain wallet, and they will also have some other stuff in March. So that's a big update. I'm going to check that and give updates later on. But this is not happening right now. What's happening today is they enabled the Paro. So Paro is the native token for the perennial finance. So they enabled the Paro token transfer. So from today, you can transfer your token, your Paro token. However, here you should understand if you participate in like Binance, that token transfer is not enabled yet. So you still need to wait maybe a little bit more time. And then if you participate in the through the Binance, you can get your Para token. So right now you still need to wait. And so now I'm going to show you how you can do that, how you can transfer your Para token, how you can access your Para token, and also I'm going to show you how you can claim your Para token, because the Para is locked. Like at the beginning, there's only 5% of them they are unlocked, and the rest of them they are going through the vesting. And so I'm going to show you everything. So first of all, how to access the Para token. So you can go to the polkadot JS wallet. So if you go there on the top left, you can switch to the perennial parachain. So if you switch there, you should be able to see your account and the amount of token you have, and make sure you do the updates if they ask you to do the updates. So you would do the updates and then come back to the account. And you can find out all the like locked Paro and also the transferable Paro. So those transferable Paro, like you can transfer, like from today you can send it to another wallet. So basically just click the send, and then you will just put the address, and then you put the amount of Para you want to send, and make the transfer. So I'm not going to do it now because it just like send the Para to another account or another wallet. It's not that useful for me right now. So I'm still waiting for the future, like staking or some other features. And if you notice here, like a lot of them they are locked, and some of you may ask, like most of the other project like Kana, those projects they will automatically unlock their token, right? So for perennial it's a little bit different. It will not automatically be unlocked. So that means you still need to claim them. And so in order to do that, I'm going to show you how you can claim the Para token. So you go to the perennial website. their website, and if you go to the crowd node, for example, and if you click my rewards and make sure you connect to your wallet, you will see like the amount of para you should get. And so I will just show you, for example, here on the top right. So actually there's a button called claim para. And so now you can claim the para. If you notice here, like if we wait a little bit, actually Parallel will unlock the para token every block. So that's around 10 seconds probably. And you will see the number will be updated every 10 seconds around. However, those para token, you have to claim them. So in order to use those para token, you have to claim, but it's not required. So you can just leave it there because now the para token, those features, they are not there yet. However, you can click claim and it will ask you to sign. And you will sign that, and now you claim your para token. And so if you go back to the JS wallet, so right now I have around hundreds of them, like they are transferable. After you claim that, you should have more para token, transferable para token. So you should get like 50 more. And you don't need to, if you notice, like you have to pay a little bit fee. So you don't need to claim every like a minute or something. You can just wait until you get enough of them. So now if you notice the amount of para token, transferable para token is bigger now, right? You have more of them. And so you can transfer that to another wallet. And you can wait for the future, like do the staking or some other features. So I think that's all for today's video. Like I give updates overall, I give updates, and I also show you how to find your para token, how to claim the para token, and how to check the amount. And so thanks for watching. And if you are new to this channel, if you like the video, please subscribe. And what's interesting about this channel is I'm going to show you the updates and also give you the hands-on like practice. Like you can try different kinds of DeFi in Web3. Thanks for watching.